How to activate Send Now and Pay Later in the Botim app. 1. Open the Botim app, then make sure your account is created and verified with your Emirates ID. 2. On the dashboard, tap Send Now and Pay Later. If you don't see it, tap More, then add Send Now and Pay Later. 3. Tap Activate SNPL. Select your monthly income range. 4. Add two reference contacts: name, phone number, and relationship. Then tap Confirm. 5. Verify your email and phone. Enter the OTP sent to your registered number. 6. Wait a few seconds while Botim checks your credit eligibility. You'll see your approved limit. 7. Tap Use It Now. Select your repayment card, then complete your international money transfer. 8. Choose your repayment plan: 6 months, 5, 4, 3, or 2 months, and confirm.